And we had a little plumbing issue, and I called the warranty department, and the repair person was there within an hour. I was just amazed. And then they called back to check on us. I mean, who does that? That's just absolutely just amazing. The building process was outstanding. We absolutely love it.
We got to pick out our different colors and pick out our different schemes and things that we wanted.
We work with community sales manager, and he is outstanding. Anytime there was a question or a concern or just anything, he was readily available. He knew where we were in the building process every day. He knew the vendors. He just was outstanding.
I mean, the tornado shelter is awesome. The fireplace in the backyard and the porch is kind of what sold me on Tabor.
But I think for me, probably the kitchen and the back porch, the backyard. We have this big, beautiful tree.
Oh, the tree, yeah.
We've named the tree after our grandkids.
The high ceilings are awesome.
I know there are, hundreds and hundreds of clients that Tabor might have, but each day we felt like we were their only client, and that really meant a lot to us. They knew the detail of our home. They knew immediately if I asked a question, they were familiar with our home.